Hey Steve, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department, sir. Thank you so very much for your recent online interest in one of the all-new Honda Pilots. I know you spoke with Rob briefly, have been looking at several of the competitors as well. And at the Honda product, we have a phenomenal midsize SUV this year. The 2019 Honda Pilot got a refresh in its design. They made tons of new features standard. The sensing suite of driver assist features will be standard across the board no matter which trim package you select, as well as available LED lights in the front. You'll have options like your heated and cooled seats. Coming into cab, we got plenty of room. More room behind the third row of seats than any of our direct competitors. You'll have available 6-speed automatic transmissions available with also a push button option in the Tourings and above. You also have your touchscreen interface with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We do have some of the trim packages with Blu-ray players, in-dash navigation. We have 7 and 8 passenger options. So it's a phenomenal product. I cannot wait to show it to you tomorrow. Rob said you may be able to make it in tomorrow afternoon. Please give me a call ahead of time. Let me know, and I'm gonna go ahead and have a couple options pulled up to the front for you. You can reach me direct at 205-504-2358. And I'm making this promise, Steve, when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're gonna love the way you're treated.